Have you ever dreamed of powering your home with sunshine or wind, not only helping the planet but also enjoying significant savings on your utility bills? What if there was a way to make that dream even more affordable, right through your tax return? Well, you absolutely can, and claiming the residential clean energy credit is straightforward. You will primarily use Internal Revenue Service Form 5695, titled Residential Energy Credits, to calculate the credit amount. This amount then transfers to Schedule 3 of your Form 1040, which is the additional credits and payments form, ultimately reducing your tax liability. The purpose of this credit is simple: to encourage homeowners like you to invest in renewable energy technologies. By offering a 30% credit for eligible expenses, the government aims to make clean energy solutions more accessible, benefiting both your wallet and our environment by reducing carbon emissions. It is a fantastic way to support sustainable living from your own home. To begin, identify your qualifying clean energy expenditures. These typically include the costs for new qualified solar electric property, solar water heating property, wind energy property, geothermal heat pumps, fuel cell property, and even battery storage technology installed after 2024. Make sure to keep meticulous records of all your expenses, such as receipts, invoices, and any statements from the installer. These documents are vital for proving your eligibility and calculating the correct credit amount if the Internal Revenue Service ever has questions. Next, you will complete Form 5695. This form walks you through listing your eligible expenses for each type of clean energy property. It then calculates your total credit amount based on the 30% rate. Once you have determined the final credit on Form 5695, you will transfer that figure to Line 5 of Schedule 3, which then feeds into your main Form 1040. Remember, the credit applies to the year the property is installed, not necessarily when it is paid for. A key detail to remember is that this credit is non-refundable. This means it can reduce your tax liability down to zero, but you will not receive any portion of the credit back as a refund if it exceeds your tax bill. However, there is good news. If your credit amount is larger than your tax liability for the year, you can carry forward the unused portion to future tax years, extending its value. This credit also applies to the original installation costs for new systems, so improvements or repairs to existing systems typically do not qualify. By understanding how to properly claim the residential clean energy credit, you are not just filing a tax form. You are making a smart financial move that also contributes to a greener future. This credit empowers you to embrace sustainable energy with a clear financial advantage, turning your investment in clean power into tangible savings year after year. It is about leveraging tax policy to enhance your home's value and significantly reduce your long-term energy costs.